Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show how to make crispy French fries recipe. How to make McDonald's French fries at home. Without wasting much time, let's get started and check out the recipe. Take 3 medium-sized potatoes or large-sized potatoes. Peel the skin of the potatoes. Cut off both the ends. Cut the sides. Cut into 1 cm thick sticks. Rinse these potato sticks for a couple of times in water to get rid of the starch. Pat dry in kitchen towel to remove excess moisture. Heat some oil for deep frying on low flame. Slowly drop the potatoes into the oil and oil blanch the potatoes for about 10 minutes. Stir occasionally and fry until it turns golden brown and crisp. Drain off to remove excess oil. Repeat the same process for remaining potato sticks. Now sprinkle salt and red chili powder. Mix well. Finally, enjoy homemade French fries with mayonnaise and ketchup. And yes, that's all about today's video. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, go and click the subscribe button and the bell icon for more interesting beauty hacks and delicious homemade recipes.